Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery cable and labeling any electrical connectors so you can reconnect them correctly later. Once done, raise the Caravan on jack stands and remove the front wheels for axle access. You must drain the transmission fluid into a suitable container. Expect about 8 to 10 quarts. Make sure the work area is level and use wheel chocks. Then remove the transmission cooler lines and unplug sensors. This prevents spills and gives you clear access to bolts you will remove next. You should support the engine with a transmission jack or engine support before removing mounts. This prevents engine tilt when the transmission drops. Next, detach the CV axles from the transmission and set them aside, then unbolt the starter and shift linkage so nothing holds the case. Make sure to label wires and use small bags for bolts. After that, remove the torque converter to flex plate bolts by rotating the crank slowly and pull the converter forward. Finally, unbolt the transmission mounts and guide the case down carefully on the jack. You reinstall the transmission by reversing the removal steps. Ensure the torque converter fully seats into the pump and aligns with the flex plate before bolting. Tighten torque converter and mount bolts to factory torque specs, then reconnect axles, starter, shift linkage, cooler lines, and all electrical connectors. Refill with the manufacturer-recommended ATF and reconnect the battery. Start the engine, check for leaks, cycle through gears, and take a controlled road test. If slipping or leaks appear, recheck torque converter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.